Okay, folks, let's look at this last question on a paper 2, November 2023 OCR past paper, but it's also applicable for higher tier students. So question 26, a triangle has sides of length 6 centimeters, 10 centimeters, and 12 centimeters. Is this a right angle triangle or right angle triangle? Show how you decide. Okay, so for a right angle triangle, guys, always think of Pythagoras' theorem, okay, where a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared, where a and b are two short side lengths, no matter which way around they are, and then c is a hypotenuse, which is always directly opposite the right angle. So here, guys, our job is to check, does 6 squared plus 10 squared, does that equal 12 squared? If it does, it is a right angle triangle. If it doesn't, it's not a right angle triangle, okay? So always be thinking, Pythagoras' theorem here, this right angle triangle, or potentially, not always, SOHCAHTOA, okay? Or if it's a higher tier student only, which is obviously not for this video here or this topic, sine or cosine, but obviously they're higher tier topics only. Think of Pythagoras' theorem. 6 squared will be 36. Okay, 6 times 6 makes 36. 10 squared is going to be 100. Okay, 10 times 10 is 100. 10 by 10 is 100. And then 12 squared is 12 times 12, which is 144. Again, obviously check that if you're unsure. 100 plus 36, or 36 plus 100 makes 136. That is not equal to 144, so that's going to be false. Okay, therefore, this triangle with side length 6, 8, and 12 is not right angled, okay? Because, it does not satisfy Pythagoras' theorem. Okay, that, guys, is our final answer, okay? So it's not right angled because, I'm not going to write it out here because it's going to be quite long. Not right angled, not a right angled triangle, okay? Because it does not follow the principle, okay, for Pythagoras' theorem, which is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. A and b are your two shorter side lengths. Doesn't matter which way round you use, okay? Rectangle triangle, c the hypotenuse. Okay? So it does not satisfy the equation or formula a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. Okay, and that, guys, is our final answer.